Summary of As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. How deeply do you think your thoughts shape your experiences and your very being? In his book from 1902, a British writer named James Allen talks about how our thoughts are super important. He says that what we think affects our actions and what happens to us. Over time, lots of smart people have agreed with him. Allen explains how our thoughts become real things and how we can use them to improve our lives. The book's title comes from a Bible verse that says, "You are what you think." Proverbs 23:7. It tells us to be careful about what's going on in our minds. Allen wants us to look inside ourselves and think about what's really going on in our heads. I've simplified the book's 7 chapters into 2 parts for easier understanding. Part 1. Your thoughts shape your inner and outer worlds. What you think about affects who you are. If you often have negative thoughts, bad things might happen to you. But if you usually think positively, good things will likely come your way. This shows that your thoughts influence both how you feel inside, like your personality and emotions, and what happens to you on the outside, like your life situations and experiences. If you usually think kindly and generously, that becomes part of who you are. These thoughts turn into habits that shape what happens to you. So, you're not just a result of what's happening around you. Instead, what happens around you is influenced by what you think. But a person's life situation doesn't tell you everything about who they are. It might just show one part of them. So, you can't judge someone's whole character based on their situation. People's lives and who they really are inside are so complex that only they truly understand themselves. Someone who seems bad might have good qualities you don't know about, or they might be dealing with tough things you're unaware of. Similarly, someone who seems good might face hard times or have flaws you don't see. When you face tough times because of your thoughts, it's not punishment. It's a chance to learn. Learn from these challenges. Since your thoughts created these problems, they're designed to teach you what you need to know to move forward and change your thinking. This applies whether you're facing hard times or enjoying good ones. With that out of the way, did you know that your thoughts can also impact your physical health? Yes, just like your thoughts affect what happens to you, they also affect your health. If you're always worried, that stress can harm your body and make you more likely to get sick. Over time, your thoughts influence how your body ages. If you're often negative, your face might show it, and your internal health might suffer from a lifetime of stress and negativity. On the other hand, if you think positively and care about others, you're more likely to stay healthy and age well. Being happy encourages you to take care of yourself, which keeps you physically and mentally strong, creating a cycle of positivity. For instance, if you have healthy and positive thoughts, you'll naturally want to eat well and avoid unhealthy habits. Studies show that positive thinking can lead to better health. Places like the Mayo Clinic say that positive thinking can help you live longer, have a healthier heart, feel less sad, and even get sick less often. Part 2. Take control of your thoughts. Many people struggle to change their lives because they don't realize the real problem, their thoughts. When you understand the power of your thoughts, you can become the boss of yourself and your life. Once you start thinking in a certain way, either positively or negatively, the world around you will start to reflect that. For example, if you're always negative and mean, people will treat you the same way. But if you let go of those negative thoughts and open up emotionally, people will respond more positively to you, creating a good cycle. Think about your past and see how your thoughts influenced what happened to you. Understanding this can motivate you to change your thoughts in the future. To change your thought patterns, you need to really think about yourself and make a constant effort to focus on positive thoughts. Eventually, positive thinking will become a habit. Now, to control your thoughts, you need to have a purpose in life, even if it's just for now. It could be a goal you want to achieve, or it could be doing your best in your job or role as a parent. Having a purpose gives you something positive to focus on instead of worrying about things or feeling sorry for yourself. Once you have a purpose, it's all about keeping your thoughts focused on it, to fulfill your purpose. Avoid indulging in selfish, dishonest, or negative thoughts. As you practice focusing on your purpose, you'll better control your thoughts and build your character. It's a process, so don't expect to be perfect immediately. If you slip up, just refocus and keep going. Train your mind to think positively. Eventually, it will become natural. You also want to dream big. All great achievements started as dreams. Architects had to dream of amazing buildings before they could build them. In your life, you need to dream of something bigger than what you have now. But dreaming alone isn't enough. You must also take action. Focus all your thoughts on your dream, and you'll naturally start doing things to make it happen. You'll feel peaceful inside when you really understand and control your thoughts. You'll know you can control your life, so you won't need to worry or get upset about things. When you're calm and in control, other people will be drawn to you. Your serenity can even help them feel better and stronger. Being calm and in control is one of the most valuable things in life. Are you ready to take control of your thoughts and transform your life? Let us know in the comments below. Check out our other videos on the screen and subscribe to never miss out. Remember to like and share. Until next time, take care.